In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your apps in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Apps extend your accounting tools, helping you automate tasks, reduce data entry, and connect QuickBooks to the other services you use every day. I'll walk you through where to find your apps, how to reconnect them when needed, and how to add new ones from the built-in marketplace. To get started, open your QuickBooks company and look at the left navigation menu. Click Apps. This is your central hub for integrations. Here you'll see a list of all the apps currently connected to your company. Each card gives you quick access to open the app or take action. If an app's connection has expired or needs attention, you'll see an option to reconnect. Click Reconnect and follow the prompts to reauthorize the connection so data can continue to flow smoothly. If you want to bring in something new, choose Find Apps. That takes you to the catalog of apps that work with QuickBooks. You can browse by category or use search to narrow down the options. When you find an app that fits your workflow, click it to open its details page. Take a moment to review what it does, any costs, and how it integrates, so you know what to expect before connecting. Next, click to connect the app. Each app has its own authentication process. Some will ask you to sign into the app's website. Others will prompt you to authorize access to your QuickBooks company. Simply follow the on-screen steps the app provides. You may be asked to confirm the company you're connecting and approve the specific permissions the app needs to function. When you finish, the connection is complete and you're ready to use the integration. To manage your integrations, return to the Apps section from the left panel at any time. You'll see your newly connected app alongside your existing ones. From here, you can open an app to configure settings within that service, and if QuickBooks detects a connection issue later, you'll be able to reconnect from this same page. It's a good idea to check back occasionally to make sure everything is still connected as expected. And that's it. Click Apps to view what you have, use Reconnect if something needs attention, choose Find Apps when you're ready to add more, and follow each app's steps to connect. With that workflow, managing your apps in QuickBooks Online Advanced stays straightforward and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.